Dohendokna Ekomnajariba President Nabinji party leaders in Sugumba Manipur State ki Sugumba Rajya Sabha candidate oinanabagi adugumba khudongchaba ama pibibasida karigumba mai paagadi leiriba Manipur ki praja sing Manipur ki integrity ngaknanaba loinana tongan ba Manipur ki interest da pukhalakpa issues sing praja sing loinana chatla maru oina ai isamak nupi ama oina party president ama oina haugiba irang thokiba irang tuda especially nupi sing care lauraga aikoina nupi singi oiba awaba henna warasu waba aduga mayanga manadaba adugumba pregnant women singna chingbagi especially aina adugumba relief camp hangba sumai tawdana tongan ba nupi gi issue kya pukhatkani loinana nupi ama oina nupi singi tamakta matam punamakta nupi gi chawkha torang sothaba backward group ta chingge haidana dumba thambiriba women empowerment da dumba pandam thamaga women led development country ma oina na bahona ribasida he na nupi sing da puning chingsandana
Madam Manipur ki
NPF as an alliance partner of the NDA koi common candidate wena BJP side dagi nominate toba candidate Madam Sharda Devi ko saukali akoi ge central office ge president ge directive matung nena akoi common candidate wena puthokpa BJP ge president su oiriba Madam ko support tawdogni habi directive lakba matung na akoi support tawi akoi proposal da sumui mi ani nominate dorga proposal bi da akoi yauzaba
people's front view ina
it is very unfortunate that this trouble continue. Hostage issue is yet to be solved. But very soon, we hope to resolve the problems. The Honorable Chief Minister is trying his best, Home Minister is trying his best. We are giving all our support to resolve the crisis.